everyone, Rocking Dan Teaching Man here with a shout out for Ms. B's kindergarten to second grade children at the Kadena elementary school in Okinawa, Japan. Now Ms. B teaches music to kindergarten through to the second grade and she does a fantastic job. She is a wonderful teacher and you need to go and check out Ms. B's YouTube channel called Bernadette Teaches Music, where she teaches children and adults how to play the ukulele. It is fantastic. She's my ukulele teacher now. I watch her videos, I've subscribed to her channel and you should too. It's great. She gives fantastic lessons and she's also a great saxophone player as well, and she's learning different Japanese traditional instruments, so wonderful. Go and check out Bernadette Teaches Music if you are a music teacher or you are interested in learning the ukulele, or you have children that you would like to learn how to play the ukulele. Bernadette Teaches Music. But right now I'm going to sing some songs for the children that she teaches in kindergarten to second grade. The first song is about how to be a good friend and it's called What Makes a Good Friend. And I know everyone there at Kadena Elementary School are good friends, so you'll recognise some of these qualities in being a good friend. There's some actions for you to follow along with when you're singing the song with me, and the actions go like this. What makes a good friend? What makes a good friend? Okay, follow along with me. What makes a good friend? Kindergarten to second grade in Okinawa, Japan. Fantastic. Kindergarten to second grade there in Okinawa, Japan at Kadena School. Now, my next song is all about getting up and dancing. So you're going to need to get up, and it's called the bounce song. So when I say bounce, you need to bounce up and down. If I say bounce to the left, bounce to your left. If I say bounce to the right, bounce to your right. And when I sing bounce from side to side, you need to bounce from side to side. Are you ready? Kindergarten to second grade, Ms. B's children in Okinawa, Japan. It's the bounce song, so get up, let's bounce. Bounce from side to side. Bounce, 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 bounce. You've got to bounce, bounce, bounce. A bounce to your left, a bounce to your right, a bounce from side to side. You've got to bounce, bounce, bounce. Bounce to your left, a bounce to your right, a bounce from side to side. You've got to bounce, bounce, bounce. Wow, great bouncing, kindergarten to second grade, Miss B's children. Okay, time to sit down. That was fantastic bouncing. My next song for you is all about the addition combinations that make the number 10. So what numbers make 10? And it's called the Friends of 10. There's some little actions for you to do. So when I sing the chorus, when I sing, I know a number, you need to point to yourself. His name is 10, then show me 10 fingers. He had a party. So you're doing your party dance. Invited all his friends. So it looks like this. I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party. Invited all his friends. Okay, it's the Friends of 10. Sing those Friends of 10 with me now. Here we go. I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party. Invited all his friends. Well, 5 and 5 they danced the jive. 6 and 4 they cheered and rocked. 7 and 3 they yelled yippee, oh yeah. I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party. Invited all his friends. 9 and 1 were having fun. 8 and 2 knew what to do. 4 and 6 they played the mix, oh yeah. 'Cause I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party. Invited all his friends. 1 and 9 arrived on time. And 3 and 7 came with Kevin. Yeah, 2 and 8 they brought the cake, oh yeah. 'Cause I know a number. His name is 10. He had a party. Invited all his friends. 10 and 0 came as superheroes. Yeah, 0 and 10 arrived at the end. And all the numbers said, let's sing it again. La 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 la. The Friends of 10. La 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 la. The Friends of 10. of 10, the friends of 10. 0 and 10 arrived at the end, oh yeah. There you go, so now you know all your addition facts to 10 in Kadena Elementary School there in Okinawa, Japan, Miss B's children. Now I have one more song for you. It's all about making mistakes. We all make mistakes and that's okay, that's part of life. We just need to learn from those mistakes and move on, and yeah, so learn from your mistakes and bounce back, and that's how we become a better person. Making mistakes, it helps us grow. Making mistakes, it helps us grow. Don't dwell on them, learn from them. Part of the journey, you need to move on. Not everything will go your way. You'll make mistakes, and that's okay. Don't dwell on them, learn from them. Part of the journey, you need to move on. It's making mistakes, it helps us grow. Making mistakes, it helps us grow. Don't dwell on them, learn from them. Part of the journey, you need to move on. Making mistakes. So there you go. Thank you so much, Ms. B, for having me at your school, Kadena Elementary School in Okinawa, Japan. And don't forget to go and check out Ms. B's channel. Bernadette Teaches Music, a great channel if you're looking to learn how to play the ukulele for young people and old people and everybody in between. It's a great channel. So Bernadette Teaches Music, thank you so much, kindergarten to year 2. It was fantastic playing some songs for you. I hope you enjoyed them. Until next time, rock on with Rocking Dan. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button and to subscribe to Bernadette Teaches Music as well. If you have a request for me, Rocking Dan Teaching Man, for one of my songs to do a shout out for you or your children or your classroom, then leave it in the comments below. Till next time, rock on.